birthday celebration, Richard Gutierrez ibubuking ng mga taong malapit sa kanya.
Very professional. Even if marami siyang ginagawa, talagang he makes sure that he's always there.
Meron siyang sinuggest na kung pwedeng ganito, ganyan, collaborative. So it was a collaboration. I really like working with actors like that na nakikollaborate with my vision as a director.
Mapag-alaga siya sa ibang tao. There's really a true, genuine concern for others. Hindi niya iniisip puro sarili, hindi mayabang.
Well, si Richard, pasimple yan sa babae. Pag may crush siya, hindi naman siya talagang nagpapakita crush kita or gusto kitang ligawan. Very gentleman siya.
He tries to improve himself every time in whatever he does.
Richard, happy birthday. I know you've already achieved a lot, but I know that you will still achieve so much more in your life.
Always be inspired. Saludo ako sa'yo.
From the bottom of our hearts, we wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Richard!
Happy birthday, Richard!
Sa kanyang birthday, tila nakuha ni Richard ang lahat bilang actor, endorser at environmentalist maliban na lang sa babaeng muling magpapatibok ng kanyang puso. Dateless on his birthday but not on Valentine's Day. That's because Richard Gutierrez is one ideal Valentine date.
Dahil nung nakasama ko siya sa music video shoot ko, hindi ko napigilan na kiligin dahil nakakakilig talaga siya. Wala naman po sigurong babae na hindi po magkakagusto sa kanya as an ideal man. Kasi nga po, gwapo, approachable po, at saka mabait.
Aside from he's a Valentine king, he's a perfect gentleman.
Richard Gutierrez would make an ideal Valentine's date because of his charms. Doon pa lang, di ba? I'm sure matatameme ka na. Tititigan mo lang yung mga mata niya. So makaka-captivate na niya yung iyong heart. Makaka-capture niya na yung iyong heart because of his charms.
Siyempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw makadate si Mr. Richard Gutierrez, diba? Pwede ba? Kung pwede lang, diba? Gwapo, tapos mabait, diba? Matangkad. Why not?
At sa darating na Valentine's Day, isa sa mga Valentine girls ang mapalad niyang makakadate sa kakaibang dating game na haharapin niya. Sino kaya kina Sexy Solen, Lovely Lovey, Roaring Rian at Extreme Eugene ang compatible sa mga choices ng isang Richard Gutierrez? Tutukan ngayon din sa gagawing My Valentine Date. Live na live.
Here with a birthday boy / everyone's ideal Valentine Day, Mr. Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Chard.
Hi, Pia. Good afternoon sa lahat ng nanonood ng Showbiz Central at maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumati sa akin dun sa video. Thank you so much.
We missed you on your birthday last Sunday.
Yes, I was busy finishing up the movie and shooting for Captain Barbell. So ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon to celebrate my birthday.
Ano ba ang ginawa mo on your birthday, Chard? May we know?
Well, kasi for the past few years, kami ni Mon, we've always been throwing parties with friends and gathering a lot of people. Pero this year, we decided to just keep it simple with the family. So we just had a very intimate family dinner, and it was fun.
And what can you say about all the good words that people had to say about you just a while back, Chard?
Maraming salamat. Nakakataba po ng puso yung mga sinabi nila. Pero parang sobra naman yata. Pero thank you so much sa lahat ng taong patuloy na nagmamahal sa akin, patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin, at sa lahat din nakakatrabaho ko dito sa industriyang ito. Lahat sila inspirasyon sa lahat ng mga works ko at sa lahat ng napoprovide ko dito sa industry natin.
They seem to think, Chard, that you've got everything already at this point in time. You're a great environmentalist, warrior, you're a great actor, you're a great endorser. Parang kulang lang, may puwang lang doon para sa yung love life. Do you ever feel sometimes na parang feel mo ba yung emptiness na yun because that space hasn't been filled?
I beg to disagree. Syempre, you know, as you said, I've been very busy. You know, I've been doing movies, doing news and public affairs. But at the same time, of course, kailangan natin ng inspirasyon lagi sa buhay. So, lagi naman ako meron inspirasyon. Pero siguro nowadays, you know, I've been focusing a lot on my work. I've been focusing a lot also on bettering myself in different facets of my life. So, now that I'm 27 years old, I think parang I know what I want and I know what to achieve in this life. And, you know, when it comes to love and when it comes to matters of the heart, it can't be rushed. So, let's not rush things, diba?
All the best things are worth waiting for, diba? Yun nga ang sabi
Exactly.
nila.
Oo.
What was the best birthday gift you got this year?
Well, maraming mga gifts na pumasok this year. Si Mond, merong magandang gift sa akin.
Uy, ano yun?
At pero kanina na-surprise ako dun sa gift sa akin ni Solen na binigay niya sa akin dun sa Party Pilipinas. Kasi it's a portrait of me. She painted a portrait of me.
Yeah.
Alam kong si Solen talagang, you know, she's very passionate about her paintings and I know that she's gonna have an exhibit soon. Pero hindi ko alam na ginagawa na pala niya yung painting na para sa akin. So, you know, nagulat lang ako dahil almost everyday kami magkasama. Tinanong ko nga siya, kailan mo ginawa yan? Di ba magkasama tayo? Ganyan. So,
She's been working on it for a long time.
She's been working on it daw. So, yun, na-touch din ako dun sa, sa binigay niya sa akin.
Yun pala. That's how to win Richard's heart pala. Kailangan handmade yung painting. But, you know, Chard, you may have a soft spot in your heart for Solen, but there's a possibility you may not be compatible. So sa aming pagbabalik po, magkakaroon tayo ng isang dating game to find out exactly kung sino sa mga Valentine's girls ni Richard ang talagang compatible sa kanya. Sino nga ba yun? Si Lovely Lovey, si something Rian, Sexy Solen, and eto yung matindi, Extreme Eugene. Sa aming pagbabalik, magkakaalaman po dito lamang sa Showbiz Central. Stay with us.
Charisse, mula airport diretso GMA kaagad para mag-rehearse ang exclusive interview sa star ng inaabangang GMA Special. Tutukan din si Mark Heras. Kumusta na kaya matapos ang emosyonal na pamamaalam sa kanyang yumaong lola?